Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 感 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then follow in one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 感 感 to feel, to move, emotion. For example, 感动 感动 to move somebody, to touch somebody emotionally. 感动 Now check this sentence. I was deeply moved by it. 我被它深深地感动了。I was deeply moved by it. 我被它深深地感动了。I was deeply moved by it. 我被它深深地感动了。I was deeply moved by it. 我被它深深地感动了。My daily handwriting on the character 感。感 to feel, to move, emotion. 感动 to move somebody, to touch somebody emotionally. I was deeply moved by it. 我被它深深地感动了。感 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 感. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.